The main problem that we have now is bacteria that become resistant to antimicrobial agents. You probably heard about MRSA, which are multi-drug resistant Staph aureus. The new guy in the block is probably what is known as the NDM1 strain. So these are bacteria that mutated and got genes that basically make them resistant to almost any kind of antibiotic that we have. People are coming with infections, and all of the antibiotics that we have are basically useless. So if you look at the environment, it's basically like a big restaurant. There's always going to be something that eats something. And the microbial world is no exception. So there's a lot of bacteria out there that can actually secrete enzymes and break down compounds in their environment, and some of them will indeed be other microorganisms. In our study, we're focusing on two bacteria. One is known as Vibrio, and the other one is known as Microvibrio. And the interesting thing about these organisms is that they're true predators. They actually have to have another bacteria in order to finish their life cycle. They have a great ability to seek out other bacteria, to invade them, and to grow in them or on them, depending on the bacteria that we're dealing with, and lyse them and kill them. So one of the goals is to see if we can use these predator bacteria, which are extremely potent, against some of our worst pathogens, and to see if we can use them as a therapeutic. These include Klebsiella pneumoniae, for example, that can cause lung infection, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, which is probably one of the major cause of lung infection and death in people that have cystic fibrosis, and in burn patients, cyanobacter, that causes a lot of wound infections. We have been living with bacteria all our lives. There's bacteria in us and on us, and it's a part of our ecology. So I think that the long-term goal is basically increasing our arsenal. Antibiotics are no longer the single bullet that can help us, and we need to find new ways in order to control infectious diseases, and one of them, hopefully, will be our bacteria, not only as a sole treatment, but maybe in combination with other treatments which are already there.